Accent Wire began operations in 1986 as a regional wire supplier to the recycling industry. Today, Accent operates from its Spring, Texas manufacturing facility as well as 15 other distribution points throughout the United States. Accent has exceeded a growth rate of 15% a year for the last 5 years and has become a leading supplier of wire products, machine parts, and services to the recycling industry. Based on our years of baling system experience and dedication to quality, we have developed a unique 2-ram tie system, the Accent Model 470, which addresses the need for ease of operation and maintenance. The 470 is a simple, reliable wire tire designed specifically for the recycling industry. From the 4-wheel drive feed and tension unit to the innovative knotter, it offers not only simplicity of design, but also many other features found only on the 470. The control panel is manufactured to UL specifications using all high-quality components. Special features include an inline filter and surge suppressors, isolation relays for PLC protection, self-clearing PLC logic, an Allen Bradley programmable controller, and the unique ability to change the slow feed start cycle at the panel. The control panel is supplied with 10 feet of flexible conduit for installation in a convenient location. The feed and tension unit is driven by a hydraulic motor which delivers high-speed tension for consistent wire take-up. The unique 4-wheel drive system utilizes multiple pinch points to assure reliable feeding of wire with variable surface conditions. In addition, the 4-wheel drive acts as a wire straightener, thus reducing misfeeds due to helix and coil set, which occur naturally in wire. The feed wheels have multiple grooves for long life and are easily replaced by means of the 470's unique pull-pin system. The knotter uses a sector gear designed for simplicity of operation. The full 4-twist knot configuration assures maximum joint strength and in some cases allows gauge reduction through the use of apex wire. The change from 11 gauge to 12 gauge saves 22% on annual wire costs. The tilt-up cover allows for easy access to the knotter unit for cleaning and routine maintenance. Remove just 2 bolts and the spreader bar, which contains the twister pinion, bushings, guides, and cutter, pivots out for easy cleaning, inspection, and parts replacement. Return the spreader bar to its original position for perfect alignment and trouble-free operation. Additionally, all these functions can be completed with a bale in place. The changeable cutter inserts in both the cutter yoke and cutter lever have multiple cutting surfaces for lower costs. The moving gripper is designed for long life and can be quickly replaced. Proximity switches are used for all sequence and safety operations, thus eliminating the need for mechanical switches or levers. Optional magnetic switches are available for safety operations. All switches are mounted in fixed positions and require no adjustments. Like the feed and tension unit, the knotter assembly utilizes the pull-pin system for reliability and ease of maintenance. The hydraulic manifold features cartridge valves with preset pressure limits and wire speed control, eliminating the need for adjustments. The sequence valve is completely eliminated, thereby reducing sensitivity to cold temperatures and assuring less downtime due to oil temperature-related problems. The accumulator is built of structural members and heavy-gauge steel, assuring long service. The top and bottom payoff rings are of a non-rigid design, eliminating the need to be positioned exactly over the coil and easily adjust to various carrier heights. The accumulator is adapted to left or right-hand payoff and can be positioned anywhere around the baler. Quality control is an important component of the 470. Prior to assembly, all mechanical components are inspected for proper dimensional tolerances. Upon completion of the unit, the mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic assemblies are inspected to ensure compliance with design specifications. Each machine is then fully tested for a predetermined number of cycles. The 470 is delivered to the customer on a heavy-duty, sturdy skid and is completely protected by a reinforced superstructure. Fit up to the baler is simplified by use of the quick mount safety frame. This frame is designed so that if wire escapes from the track, the wire is not immediately directed into an area where personnel may be stationed. The 470 Product Operations Manual introduces the user to the basics of general safety considerations when operating the wire tire, general lockout, tagout procedures for double ram balers, and lockout, tagout procedures for the wire tire. The safety section of the manual is printed on yellow pages. In addition, the manual instructs the user in simple terms on the operation of the 470 wire tire. Maintenance schedules outlined in the manual assure long parts life and trouble-free operation. Maintenance is simplified by the easy-to-read parts diagrams. Wear components such as twister pinions, bushings, and cutters carry a 90-day warranty from date of installation. Other Accent manufactured parts such as weldments, the spreader bar, and torque tube assembly are warranted for a full year. Purchased items such as hydraulic and electrical components carry their manufacturer's warranty. Users selecting the 470 for a wire tire system will have the advantage of a tire designed specifically for 2 ram balers. The 470 successfully blends proven concepts with new technology and new ideas. This combination saves the user time and money and lowers processing costs.